Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by checking prerequisites. Make sure your IAM user or role has RDS. Create DB snapshot permissions, and if exporting S3, put object. Once done, verify automated backups are enabled and the DB instance is available. This avoids failures. Now from the AWS console or CLI run create DB snapshot with a clear name, using timestamps helps. Also make sure encryption settings match expectations, because encrypted instances require KMS access. This gets a point-in-time snapshot fast. Once the snapshot exists, you decide between restore, copy, or export. If you need data files, start an export task to S3, use the same KMS key and region, and monitor the task via describe export tasks. For cross-region protection, copy the snapshot to the target region. This preserves encryption. Make sure to tag snapshots for lifecycle policies, and, if using the AWS backup service, register the resource to centralize schedules. These steps handle larger datasets and regulatory retention needs. Finally, restore the snapshot when you need a test or recovery instance. You run restore DB instance from DB snapshot, choose an instance class, adjust storage and networking, and confirm parameter group compatibility. This ensures the restored DB boots. Once running, validate data, endpoints, and backups. If something goes wrong, check CloudWatch events and RDS logs, confirm service quotas and KMS key policies, and make sure security groups allow access. A common fix is missing KMS permissions. Add them and retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.